Fliki AI Review. In this video, I'm going to show you the Fliki AI pros and cons and all features it has, and see if it is worth it to buy. And is it good for your business and any marketing? Fliki is a text-to-video and text-to-speech creator that helps you create quality audio and video content in minutes. In the first part of this video, I'll show you what does Fliki do, and then I will tell you the pros and cons in each step. So, let's begin. To start using Fliki, with the link in the description, you will get free credits to try this AI and test it by yourself, which is great to start using, because it doesn't need to add any credit cards to start. After click on this link, you will see this page like as I do. Click on Start option here. In this page, you can use your Google account to sign up easily. Your account with free trial will create in seconds. This is the main panel of Fliki. When you first enter the panel, you will see many options, which may be confusing at first, but don't worry. Generally, Fliki AI has 5-part and easy to work. The first part is for generate video. In this part, you can generate a video from just an idea, or a script, or with a blog post article, or generate video with a simple presentation file, or even with just a link from Amazon, and you can edit your video that already have it. The second part is for text-to-speech. You can turn a script or blog post or even an idea into voiceover easily. The third part is thumbnail maker. In this part, Fliki will generate a design for you based on what you need. Another part is here in the left menu in templates option. In this part, you can easily choose a template based on your niche and make a video with different AI avatar just in seconds. Just you have to insert any text you want. And the last part is for voice cloning, which you can make a clone of your voice to use it for your further videos easily in minutes. Let's try it. The first option is idea to video. In the first section, write your idea as a prompt. For example, I write this. In the next step, you can choose your desired video duration. I set it for a short video. If you have any specific file you want to use in this video, you can upload it from here. Then click on Next to continue. Here, you have to choose the tone of voice you need. In the second part, choose purpose of the video you want to make. And in the last part, you have to choose the audience of your video. Choose and go ahead. Fliki has 3 different sizes for different platforms. Choose the video size you want. And the next step is for choose a language. As you can see, it has too many different languages that you can choose and make your video in any language you want. And the next part, you can choose the accent, which is great. The customization part is for kind of your video visual part. If you want to use stock footages, choose the stock media. But if you want to Fliki generate some image or video, choose this AI media option. In this part, you have different model. You can choose any of them: cinematic, anime, origami, art, and so on, as you can see here. Now, I choose this one, for example. In the More option, you can choose any of these items if you want them in your video. Then click on Submit and wait a second for Fliki generate your video. Although Fliki made the whole video, but you can still make some changes if you want in every section. In the left side, you have the script part by part. Each part has a unique image. It divided the script into different scenes to generate an image for each part separately. First of all, let's watch a bit of this video.
Healthy eating, happy family. Hey you! Yes, you! Did you know healthier family meals start with a single swap? Ditch the chips for crispy veggie sticks, or trade soda for refreshing fruit-infused water. Small changes lead to big results. It's easier than you think to make healthy eating a family habit. Cooking doesn't have to feel like work. Turn it into family fun. Pick a simple...
It has a good voiceover, subtitles are added. Each part has a good image. It added transition between images. In this case, you can create many videos from just an idea in minutes. Fliki AI will do the rest for you, saving you both time and money. You don't need to spend time on a script, hire someone for a voiceover, or use any editing tools. Everything you see in a good video can be done with Fliki AI, which is great. Now let me show you how you can change each part if you want to. I start from scene 1. Click on the scene you want. It will show you what are used in this scene. Well, the first box you see here, under the voiceover option, is the text that your voiceover will read this. If you want to voice over more words here, simply add it. And the next text box is the text that is shown on the screen and just the viewer can see it. You can edit each part by clicking on that part. After you click, a setting part will open on the right side. Here, this is the setting of that element. For example, I click on this text and now you will see I can make some change from this setting tab that has been opened in the right side. From the first section, here, you can change the position of the text easily. I'm making these changes now to show you how it works. In Fliki, you can access all the settings and features that the editing tools have, and you can easily change everything you see. You can even say that it is much easier because you don't need a powerful laptop to do this. And I think that is great. If you don't like each part, you can easily remove it from this remove option. And the next and most important element in each scene is the footage. To make this video, if you remember, I just started with an idea, no script and no prompts for images. But Fliki AI generated the entire script and also selected images for each part, which is great because you don't have to think about what image to use for each sentence. You can change any image by clicking on that image easily. Or you can even turn this image to a video by clicking on this option here. Fliki will generate it for you in seconds, or even you can regenerate it with this option. Now, if you want to change it, click on the image. This is the prompt that Fliki used to generate this image. You can change it and generate again if you want, or you can change the model from here. And if you want to use a stock image, you can find it from here. You have many options for change the image, and it is really amazing. Now, the next option is about voiceover, which is so important. If you click on each scene, you can see the voiceover option for that scene in the top of it. You can change it by clicking on it. Here, as you can see, there is too many options for choose a good voice. On the top of this page, you have a filter to choose the language and gender if you want. Fliki AI supports many languages, as I told earlier, which you can use to make videos for any language you want. Let's listen to some of these voices together.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
This was a sample of standard voices.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
They are really perfect. You can choose any of these voices for your video easily by clicking on that voice. One important and I think interesting thing here is that you can choose a specific voice for just one of the scenes. I mean, if you want, you can choose different voices for different scenes, which is great, just like as 2 or 3 people are talking in your videos. Or if you want a single voice, choose this option here to apply this voice on all scenes. Beside having high-quality voiceovers, this feature that you can use different voices in the same video for different sentences is one of the good features of this AI tool that you may not have in other AI video generators. You can change the volume of the voiceover now from the right adjustment bar. You can also change the speed of the voiceover from this section. That was all about Fliki AI voiceover you need to know. Now, in the next step, let's choose a background music for this video. On the top of this page, you have background music option. There are 3 different ways to add a background music to your video. The first way is using stock media. You have a big library of different music you can choose from them. Here, you can type something, listen to it, and if you liked it, you can click on that music and choose it. The second way is let Fliki AI choose a good music for you based on your script and video. If your video is ready, to download your video, you can click on this download option. To download more videos, you need to upgrade your account. For the premium account, I will give you a Fliki coupon code to get the maximum discount on any monthly or annually plans. To upgrade Fliki account, after you log in your panel, click on Upgrade option in the top of this page. You will see Fliki pricing panel. You have to read the descriptions. Then choose your favorite plan. In the next page, click on Add promotional code. Then add this Fliki AI coupon code. Click on Apply button. I added this code in the description. Copy and paste it here. By this code, you will get 20% discount on any plan you choose and can save big. I show you the main editing thing you must know when you are going to work with Fliki AI. All these features you see here in this page have the same edit panel. To make video with AI avatar, click on this template option here in the main page. Here you have too many ready-made template for each niche you maybe need them. Each of them has a unique theme, color, font, and design. You can search between them, and if you like of them, just choose it. These templates are in different size, and you can choose the desired ratio and make your video. The next amazing feature is for people who want to use their own voice in their videos. Voice cloning option. In the main panel of Fliki, click on Voice option in the left side, then choose Clone. Here you have click on this Add option, and then Fliki will show you a text that you have to read it and record it. You can choose your voice when you want to choose a voice over in video. In this Fliki AI review video, I explored whether Fliki is worth it and if it is a good fit for your business. In generally, it can save you both time and money. You don't need a high-end laptop to use this AI tool, whether you're creating videos for social media or launching a marketing campaign. Fliki AI also offers realistic avatars, and with its multilingual capabilities, you can easily expand your reach and double your income using the built-in translation feature. It comes with many powerful features to help you get started today. Remember, every day you wait is a day your competitors get ahead. Use the link below to start your free trial, and don't forget to apply the Fliki coupon code associated with this link for a discount on pricing plans. Try it out and enjoy.